How to manage Twitter email notifications. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to manage Twitter email notifications easy and fast. So all what you have to do, go to Twitter. Now go to the top corner, click on your profile picture, then go down and choose settings and privacy, then go down and choose notifications, and here all what you have to do is click on preferences and click on email notification here. And here you go. Now from here you can turn on or turn off anything you want from here, or you can turn off all the email notifications at all from here. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later. Thank you so much.